Hey everyone, the professor here. Let's jump right into our crude oil daily analysis video. We are coming up to a very key level right now. We talked about this yesterday. Okay, we do have this low right here. And again, we are coming right back down to retest this area. Now, there is a distinct possibility that we are going to go lower just to flush out those people that might be looking to buy directly at this level. So that's something that we have to keep in mind as we move forward today, because we are going to see some movement happening right in here. But I'm going to give you a buy limit order in just a few minutes. This will be a shorter video because I want to get this video out and get it right back to you as well. By the way, do not forget, we have launched a brand new trading app with free coaching, live trading. You can take all my trade alerts. So if you go down to the link description below, there's going to be a link. Click on there. I have 3 different plans for you. Prices will increase on December 15th. So take advantage of it. Lock in your price for life, guaranteed, for just a few pennies a day. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right back into the analysis here. And let me give you what I'm looking at for crude oil. Now, as we kind of take a shift here, right, we can see that, trying to buy here is going to be a little riskier because, again, we are in this, right, downward trend, right? We don't have to show anyone. We are in this downward trend here. So that being said, if I go over to the daily, and I want to kind of take a look at the daily here real quick, let's go ahead and take a look at where we are fib-wise, okay, Fibonacci-wise, from where we started to where we are now. So if we go here and we draw a fib, okay, you can see here that we are approaching this 88.6 area. So I kind of like that area because it's a little bit deeper into and getting a better price. Okay, we may flush out. So looking at the daily, and again, we have to really focus in on that daily. I kind of want to see something like this based on the daily. So if you're looking to take a long position, the deeper in the box, the better. Okay, I would say something like this to eventually swing it back up. That does not mean we're going to hit 77 today. But again, this would be a very, very tight stop loss. Okay. And the reason why, I'm looking at that on the daily as a possible swing opportunity back up. Okay. That's what it looks like on the daily, somewhere in this box to give us an entry if you do want to try and buy crude oil. Now, I'm going to give you a safer bet. Okay, I'm going to put the entry here. I'm going to lower the entry just a little bit on this green line. So again, let me kind of put that here. So again, I would look based on this analysis, I would look for a buy limit, okay, at 71.56. Okay, so buy limit 71.56 if we can drop that low based on the daily. Okay, now if you want to be super conservative, okay, and I want to give you an option here for if you really want to be super conservative and take when we swing back around for a buy opportunity, let me give you that as well in case you don't feel comfortable taking the buy here. Okay, and that's going to require a SAR flip on the 4-hour. So if you want to be extra conservative, okay, then your entry would look like this. Let me grab a line here. We are going to need to break this price point right here. Okay, so the white line, which I'm going to make it green for entry, okay, this would be a buy stop. Okay, buy stop. And that is going to be 74 point. I'm going to make it 74.05. Okay. So if you want to be extra conservative, then you're just going to wait for price to eventually break this level right here. As you can see right here, we have a level. Okay. So if we break this level, okay, then this buy stop would be much better if you don't want to risk trying to maybe buy down there. So I'm going to kind of move this to 74.05. So that would be your entry. Okay. And this scenario would look something like this. when it comes to a long position, right? Getting in here, taking it back up to this level, okay? And your stop loss would have to be, again, if this is the low, like something right in here, still giving us a nice 2-to-1 ratio, okay? So you've got a couple of options that you can do, okay? I don't want to say sell right now because it's already in a nice sell, okay? If you were looking for, a sell opportunity, then this could also be an opportunity where if price does come back up to this level and rejects it, then we come back down here again one more time. But right now, I think we're looking at this buying, taking it up here, and then we really have to see what happens here. Okay. And remember that on this secondary situation, right, we would have to have a candle close above. Okay. And then I like to see a candle close above, come back down and retest, and then go further. Okay. So those are kind of the scenarios that we're looking at. Again, if you are in our app, we will be updating this as well. And again, another cool feature about the app is that I go live in the app as well. So I don't need YouTube or any other third party. I can go directly live in the app and update you, and we can do some of this stuff live trading as well. Okay. I hope you got some massive value today. If you did, you can definitely hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're brand new, think about subscribing. But for all of you, make sure that you have your notifications turned on so you don't miss these daily videos. And again, I'll see you inside the app.